Welcome to the Rim Break Rodeo. We hope this video helps.
First, prepare your home network for high-quality streaming. Use a wired 1 Gbps Ethernet connection for best streaming stability and lowest latency. If Ethernet is not available, use a 5 GHz Wi-Fi band and keep devices within 10 meters of the router. Disable VPNs that route traffic outside your LAN. On your PC, enable network discovery and allow Steam through your firewall. Open port 27036 for Steam Remote Play and keep your computer awake during streaming sessions. Next, install the Steam Link app on your Xbox console from the Microsoft Store. Sign into the Steam Link app with your Steam account while both devices remain on the same local network. Launch Steam on your gaming PC and open Steam Remote Play settings to accept incoming connections. On the Xbox app, find your PC by name and select it to pair. Enter the 4-digit code shown on the TV into Steam on your PC to complete the secure pairing process. Finally, start streaming your Steam library to the Xbox using Steam Remote Play. Launch a game on your PC and click Stream to begin playing on the console. Use an Xbox wireless controller connected to the console for native input and vibration. If the controller is connected to the PC instead, enable controller pass-through in Steam Link settings. Monitor stream quality and change settings to 1080p at 60 FPS or reduce to 720p if you notice stutter or elevated latency.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.